Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let's start by understanding W residual heat. This is essentially the leftover energy in the lower zone of furnace. It's like the furnace reserve heat. Today, we are delving into two critical aspects of the furnace operation, racing furnace and W residual heat. The racing furnace phenomenon occurs due to increased direct reduction within the furnace. Heightened DRI, this heightened DR leads to the excessive consumption of heat and carbon, causing what we call poor reduction. Essentially, the furnace begins to cool down, disrupting the delicate balance of temperature and chemical reaction necessary for optimal operation. Now let's talk about W residual heat. Think of it as a leftover energy in the lower part of the furnace. It's what keeps the furnace warm and ensure it function efficiently even after process like combustion and solution loss. So in a sense, understanding both racing furnace and W residual heat is crucial for maintaining furnace performance and ensuring a smooth operation. Now let's understand the basic. Let's dive into some practical guidelines for managing a racing furnace situation. Firstly, it's essential to monitor both the 4 hours and 8-hour charging rate. These rates serves as a early indicator of potential issues with furnace performance. Next, if you notice that the charging rate exceed 9% for the 4-hour period or 5% for the 8-hour period above expected level, we might be dealing with a racing furnace. These indicate excessive heat and carbon consumption which can lead to cooling issue if left unattended. Additionally, we need to be cautious when adjusting coal variation. Negative coal variation during such type of cases are really risky. So increasing charging rate can exacerbate furnace issues. It's crucial to adjust steam level first to manage the furnace temperature effectively. So PCI impact changes take 7 to 11 hours, steam 3 to 5 hours, PCI to W as it has mentioned 4 to 6 hours, and W to HMT 3 hours. And these timelines and delays is should be well understood by the operators. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be overriding, excessive action will be there. So if we take a action of moisture reduction, we must have to wait for 3 to 5 hours in order to derive the results. So in conclusion, I would like to say that by understanding and effectively managing the time delays and effects within the furnace operation, we can optimize our process very well. And this will ensure consistent product quality and drive the furnace efficiently in our operation for sustained success. Thank you.